Okay. What's your suggestion on a path that mixes both AI and robotics? Um, is there a path that mixes the two? I don't know. Robotics is a funny thing. I've done a couple of quick little 1 minute videos on this, and maybe I'll do a longer video. But I gotta tell you, Nick, I'm not one of it. How do I say this? It seems that a lot of people out there combine AI with robotics. They think, oh, AI is advancing, robotics is right behind. And I definitely don't think that's the case. I think robotics is super, super far away. Nowhere nearby. Right? People think, oh, we're just a couple of years from having droids in our house helping us out and all this. No, we are like decades away from that. And I'll tell you what leads me to that conclusion. A couple of years ago, I read this great book that was talking about machine learning and robotics and everything else. And it was talking about like the very, very few labs and researchers that are out there working on like true robotics. Like, to me, true robotics is about the human hand. The human hand, from a robotics perspective, is super, super difficult to do, right? Especially the wrist, right? Your wrist moves in so many angles, has a lot of strength. You can rotate it, you can angle it, right? To reproduce that from a like robotics perspective is insanely hard.